Hey everyone, welcome back to HandsFree TV. Jason here with
Nicole.
Hey, and today we bring you the Kiziks. These are the hands-free shoes. These are the Lima.
And the color Fawn.
Sounds right. Women's 8, yeah. I know we've test drove one of these before. Check out that video. I think do you remember what model that was? Me neither, but check it out. It was a good one as well. It was definitely not the Lima. It was, it's right here.
It was these.
Yeah, Nicole's it on.
Ta-da!
And how you liking those so far?
I love them. I love them, and I get compliments on them all the time.
Sweet. So what we're going to do here is we're going to unbox and give it a nice review since it's a different model type. Open it up. But before we do, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, leave a comment down below. Have you tested out personally yourself? What do you think about the Lima or this model right here?
These were.
I forget what these are called. Yeah. But yeah, check it out. We will have a referral code in the description down below as well. I believe it gives you $20 off if you like to use it as well to purchase some shoes for yourself.
Okay.
All right, so let's go ahead and move forward.
All right, so the box comes packaged like this when it's shipped. To open, they got a little cute little pull tab for me.
It even says pull here.
Okay, so Kizik, no tying, no pulling, no heel crushing, no hands.
Nice.
And then they have all of their little Twitter, Facebook, Instagram information there.
Handles.
All right. Oh, very cute. I like the color.
Yeah, it's a nice color.
Yeah, that's cute. Very cute.
What else? Is there anything else in there? That's it? Just tissue? Okay.
So there we go.
Okay, here we go.
Voila.
Nice little 360.
Voila.
They're clean looking.
They're very cute. And inside, it has little instructions. Step right in.
Nice and easy, 2 steps.
So let's pull these out. Little shape holders. And I think that's it for stuffing. Yeah.
What's the bottom look like? Sweet. Looks like good grip.
Mm-hmm.
Why don't you pop out your shoe and put the other one next to it and just see how much bigger it is or smaller it is?
That's interesting. So do a side by side.
Side by side.
Slightly different.
It is slightly different.
Yeah. So the toe detailing is different. And
The heels, they're very different.
yeah. It doesn't have this little cage thing on the back. That's cool. It looks more like regular tennis shoes. Okay, so we recollected the name.
Yeah.
And it's the Athens shoe. And this color is Bahama. So if you happen to be interested in the old version of my shoe.
And we do have a video of that.
Yeah, we do have a video of that on our channel. But yeah, little cage thing is gone off the back. And it looks more just like a regular standard tennis shoe.
It does.
Very subtle. I like it a lot.
Very cool.
Yeah.
So now let's go ahead and test them on and see if it's nice and easy or as comfortable as the Athens.
I love these, and I do get a lot of compliments on them.
All right, we got them here on the ground. Nicole's going to test them out, and I just noticed that she has the Kizik socks on too.
Yeah?
Look at that. That's funny. All right, let me get a nice side profile so then you can see how you slip it out. Go ahead, Cole.
All right, let's test drive them. Oh, that's cool. They're firmer than mine, but it could just be because mine are older. So yeah.
How do you like it?
They fit.
I got a size 8, so
Yeah, they fit and they
sweet.
feel comfortable. Yeah, they're firmer support, but again, I think it could just be because my shoes are so old.
Why don't you pop it out, see if it's as easy as the other ones.
Okay, can't step out of it. Gotta get a little assist there. you.
Okay. Cool. Let's do it again. Let me get another angle so then everyone can see.
Yeah. Ta-da!
Oh, look at you.
And ta-da!
Okay.
Hey.
Get it. Foot model.
How you like me? All right. So I like them. I like them a lot. I'm going to do one more little runway walk for you guys.
Get it.
Hi.
You're silly.
All right, guys. So, yeah, this is a win. Very comfortable.
I'm glad you like them, honey. They look good on you.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, yeah, you guys, this was the
Kizik Lima in the color Fawn.
And if you are new to the channel, you like what you're watching, subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. We will have a referral link down below where I believe it gives you $20 off your purchase. If you'd like to go ahead and use that, it'd be greatly appreciated. And leave any comments and like below. If you've tested out these Kiziks yourself, actually, or any other models, let us know down below how you like them. And we can see if we can probably test those out as well then in the future.
All right, guys. Thanks so much for joining on this episode of HandsFree TV. We'll see you next time.
Bye.